Welcome to a journey of discovering the incredible power that lies within you. Get ready to uncover the secret to manifesting your desires and strengthening your belief system. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a transformative exploration into the world of beliefs and spirituality. In this video, we delve into the remarkable ability of beliefs to shape our reality. It's time to unleash the force within and tap into the immense potential that lies dormant within each and every one of us. Do you ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly manifest their dreams and desires? The answer lies within their beliefs. Our beliefs act as the fuel that propels us towards our goals, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and actions in the process. But here's the twist. Beliefs aren't just a product of our logical minds. They are deeply intertwined with our spiritual essence, connecting us to a higher power and unlocking the true potential of manifestation. By merging the realms of the tangible and the spiritual, we pave the way for extraordinary transformations. It's time to harness the power of belief, aligning our intentions with a greater purpose and setting in motion a remarkable journey of fulfillment and abundance. Prepare to uncover ancient wisdom, proven techniques, and practical tools that will ignite a fire within you, empowering you to manifest your deepest desires and reach your highest potential. Stay tuned till the end of the video for an incredible exploration into the power of beliefs and the spirituality that fuels it. Brace yourself for a mind-opening experience as we reveal the roadmap to manifesting your desires and transforming your life. If you are new to our channel, please the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on manifestation. All right, let's begin. According to Neville Goddard, the concept of manifesting your desires without taking any inspired action challenges the traditional belief that one must always take physical steps towards their goals. While actions can certainly be an important part of the manifestation process, there is also a powerful role played by thoughts, beliefs, and energy. When it comes to manifesting, the law of attraction tells us that our thoughts and emotions can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. By aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with the desired outcome, we can create a vibrational match and attract what we want. By focusing on the power of our intentions, visualizations, affirmations, and energetic alignment, we can tap into the universal energy and allow our desires to manifest naturally. This means that instead of solely relying on external actions, we can cultivate a deep sense of trust and knowing that what we want is on its way to us. However, it is important to note that inspired action can also be a powerful catalyst for manifestation. Inspired action is characterized by actions that are guided by intuition, excitement, and alignment with the desired outcome. When we take inspired action, we are in a flow state, moving effortlessly towards our goals. So, while it is possible to manifest desires without taking traditional inspired action, it is also beneficial to remain open to opportunities and synchronicities that may guide us towards inspired action. The key lies in finding the balance between energetic alignment and taking inspired action when it feels right. The power of belief is a fundamental cornerstone of manifestation. Our beliefs shape our thoughts, emotions, and actions, ultimately influencing the reality we create for ourselves. When we deeply believe in something, when we have unwavering trust in the values and outcomes we wish to achieve, we tap into an incredible force that can make those desires come true. Our beliefs have the ability to shape our perception of the world, influence our decisions, and attract experiences that align with those beliefs. By cultivating positive and empowering beliefs, we create a fertile ground for manifestation. When we believe in our own potential, When we have faith in the abundance of the universe, we open ourselves up to opportunities and possibilities that will support the realization of our dreams. It's important to remember that our beliefs are not limited to what we consciously think or say. Our subconscious mind, shaped by our past experiences and conditioning, also plays a significant role in influencing our beliefs. Therefore, it is crucial to examine and reframe any limiting beliefs that may be hindering our ability to manifest our desires. Manifesting desires is deeply rooted in having faith and a positive self-view. Our beliefs about ourselves and our abilities play a crucial role in the manifestation process. Self-doubt, insecurity, and negative self-talk can hinder the manifestation of our goals. When we constantly doubt ourselves or engage in negative self-talk, we create an energetic barrier that blocks the flow of abundance and manifestation. It is important to identify and replace these negative patterns with affirmations and positive self-talk. Our perception of ourselves is shaped by our beliefs in our capabilities and our value as individuals. The more we believe in our own abilities and worth, the more empowered we become to manifest our desires. It is essential to cultivate a positive self-view, focusing on our strengths and acknowledging our unique value in the world. Comparing ourselves to others or feeling inadequate in comparison does not contribute to positivity or success. Each of us has our own unique path and journey. It is important to embrace our individuality and avoid comparing ourselves with others. Instead, we should focus on our own growth, development, and the progress we are making towards our goals. Acceptance of who we are at present is an integral part of achieving true fulfillment, both spiritually and materially. When we accept ourselves fully, including our strengths, weaknesses, and imperfections, we begin to align with our authentic selves. This authenticity allows for greater manifestation power as we attract experiences and opportunities that align with our true values and desires. Confidence plays a vital role in manifesting all that we desire in life. When we have confidence in ourselves and our abilities, we radiate a positive energy that attracts success and abundance. Building confidence can be achieved through self-affirmation, celebrating small wins, and stepping out of our comfort zones to take inspired action towards our goals. Let me now narrate Emily's story, who always believed in the power of beliefs. One day, Emily stumbled upon an opportunity to participate in a unique manifestation challenge. The challenge was to manifest a sum of money, and the winner would receive a grand prize of $5,000. Excitement filled Emily's heart as she knew this was her chance to put her beliefs into action and prove the power of manifestation. Undeterred by any skepticism or doubt, Emily began her manifestation journey by aligning her thoughts, emotions, and energy with her desired outcome. Every day, she visualized herself holding the amount of money she wished to manifest. She created a vivid image in her mind, feeling the excitement and gratitude as if she had already received it. Emily took inspired action as well. She used her time wisely, researching investment opportunities, exploring side business ideas, and participating in networking events. She trusted that these actions would align her with the money she desired and bring her one step closer to her goal. As days turned into weeks, Emily remained steadfast in her belief that her desire was on its way. She continued to radiate positive energy and unwavering faith. Even when faced with an unexpected bill or financial challenge, she stayed focused on her desired outcome, trusting that the universe would provide. Then, one fateful afternoon, Emily received a call that would change everything. It was the organizer of the Manifestation Challenge, informing her that she had won the grand prize of $5,000. Emily's heart leaped with joy as she realized that her manifestation had come true. Through the power of her beliefs and unwavering faith, she had attracted the abundance she had envisioned. So friends, by recognizing that our beliefs shape our reality, we understand the importance of cultivating empowering beliefs and eliminating any limiting thoughts or doubts. Through practices such as affirmations, visualization, and positive self-talk, we can strengthen our belief system and create a powerful foundation for manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of belief and spirituality as the core of manifestation. We wish you endless abundance, joy, and fulfillment as you continue to manifest greatness into your life.